Let's go through the first time setup for the desktop application. Once you have installed it, open the application. You will be presented with this page. Choose the region that is relevant to you. If you are using the Coviu platform as part of a large organization on an enterprise plan, regardless of where you are located, choose Custom Enterprise Platform. If you are on another plan, such as Essentials, Standard, or Premium, choose the region in which you are located. You will be taken to the Sign In page. Enter your login details and press Sign In. You will be presented with a list of clinics that you are associated to. It will typically just be one. Choose the clinic and you will be taken to the dashboard for Coviu, ready to take calls. The next time you go to use the desktop application, you won't need to choose your region. You will just need to log in. Thank you.